Hey everyone, how you doing today? And I just want to let you know this is not my normal setup, but I injured my foot, and I haven't been able to walk on it for the last couple days. So I want to create a video in a different with a different background, different setting, but I wanted to at least put something out for you all today. And what I want to talk about is names of haircuts, or what do you say to your barber, like all that kind of stuff. And it's probably one of the most requests or biggest questions I get on a regular basis is what do I say to my barber? Or you all see a haircut that you like, and you're going, oh, what do I say, or what do I ask for? Here's the thing, and I've said this probably at least dozens upon dozens of times at this point. But if you're new to watching this channel, welcome, and please subscribe so you can watch my videos, so you can help get answers to things I've already done before. But when it comes to asking people for a specific look, a photograph will tell the story. Now, I know that seems very vague and, oh, what do you mean a photograph? Well, if you show a picture of a bunch of landscaping that you like to a landscaper, it's up to that landscaper to duplicate that look. He may ask you, oh, do you want these color rocks, or what this or that or whatever? But basically, it's up to that professional to do the job based off of a picture you show them. What do you say to your barber? What do you say to your professional? You literally take a screenshot or you save an image and you show them the photograph. And I know a lot of you are going to say, or have said, or will think this, oh, but I've done that and they still can't get it right. If I use somebody for a service and they suck, I'm never using them again. Stop going to the same person who keeps butchering your hair. Find someone new. If you want a longer type of hairstyle, you want these long flowing layers, maybe stop going to a barber who specializes in skin fades. Maybe you need to go to a hairstylist who understands layering and proper haircutting. If you are a person who wants skin fades and you keep going to a hairstylist who doesn't know how to blend hair, you need to go to a barber who specializes in fading hair. So if you show a photograph of a look that you want and you don't get it, there's a couple of other things you need to take into consideration. Okay, one, is your hair type the right hair type? That's a huge factor. If you want a hairstyle that all the models you see or all the images, and they've got pin straight hair, and they've got the pieces that, they come down and hang down to here and perfectly straight, and you can flow it back like this, but you have super curly, kinky, wiry, dry, fried, frizzy hair, chances are that's not the right hairstyle for you. If you've got pin straight hair and you want to have super curly hair, chances are that's not going to be the right hairstyle for you. You can achieve these looks through chemical processes or, lots of work with blow drying and using, hair tools, but the realistic aspect is that, or the reality is that you probably may not have the right hair type or the right hair length, all that kind of stuff. And now, if you're a victim of a hair crime, then you need to understand that person just sucks at cutting hair. That's what it comes down to. It's like going to a restaurant, trying out the food, and it's awful. The chef just sucks. It's really plain and simple. I'm not going to that restaurant ever again, and I'm going to find somebody new. So I know a lot of people are so obsessed with the names of a haircut or what to say. Don't be so focused on a name. Yes, there are certain things, like I want a skin fade to a number like 2 on top. Okay. I want an angled bob, that's like this long, starts at the bottom of the neck and comes longer. I want, long layered haircut. I want my hair to be down to here and, long layers that frame the face. I don't want anything. I want super short layers. I want, there are names of haircuts. I want a mullet, right? I want a flat top. I want a head buzz. I mean, all those things. Yes, there are certain names for haircuts. But I think now what's more important is that you communicate to the professional by showing photographs and then letting them, remember, you're paying them for a service. You're not paying me for a haircut. A lot of you come right to me asking for advice on what the barber or the stylist should know. So, you have every right to communicate to them however you feel comfortable. You are paying their bills. You're paying for them to drive the BMW or live in a nice house or whatever it is they're doing, right? The new cell phone they have, the ring light they have next to it, whatever lifestyle they live, you're contributing to that lifestyle. So you have every right to communicate how you feel comfortable with that person. And the best way, I would honestly say, is show a photograph and say, this is what I'm looking for. Then you can ask questions. Do I have the right hair type? Is my hair straight enough? Is my hair thick enough? Like, is this going to flow right? Is this going to look good? Like, do I have the right face shape? That's on them, okay? It's good for you to know, but it's also on them to execute the proper look and haircut for you. So I think, again, it's not so much about the names of haircuts, what to say, as far as a very specific one title or one name of something. Just express them through photographs and then other types of communication and let them create the look. All right? Now, let me know in the comments below if this helps you, if you've had success with this type of information I'm sharing. Please, let's flood the comments with what's worked, right? What has worked for you? What's worked for you in a variety of ways of, I said this and I got my best haircut. I showed a photo of this and I got my best haircut. Like, share with everyone else, because I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of comments from people just sharing their opinions on what has worked and what hasn't. So I'd love to see that in the comments below. Thank you all so much for watching. If you want to purchase any of my hair care products, shop.TheSalonGuy.com, and you can use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20, shop.TheSalonGuy.com. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.